no easy. Oh. It is not what they told me when I started this course. Hi sugars, it's your girl Bad Girl Fresh. I'm here to answer the question that you guys have been asking me about how to become a phlebotomist or how to study phlebotomy if you are in the United States. Number one, to study phlebotomy no easy. Oh. Firstly, they told me when I started this course that it's easy. It's just simple. It's just to teach you how to draw blood and study and this and that. You will pass, don't worry. A lot of people told me you will pass, don't worry. It's a simple course, my dear. To be a phlebotomist, you have to be smart, intelligent, pay attention to details, and you have to be somebody who is extra patient. When I say extra patient, I didn't just say patient. You have to be extra patient and extra smart. So let's get into the topic of the day. And first, we need to know what is phlebotomy. Phlebotomy is from the Greek word phlebo and tome. Phlebo means cut, and tome means vein, meaning to cut through vein. Who is a phlebotomist? A phlebotomist is somebody who performs a venipuncture on a patient, either for diagnosis or therapeutic reason, which means a phlebotomist is somebody who performs the venipuncture on people, somebody who draw blood, as you all call it in a layman language. So what is venipuncture at the end of the day? Venipuncture is an act of cutting through the vein to draw blood. Do you guys understand? A lot of you have been asking me, how can I get into phlebotomy? And what does it take for me to become a phlebotomist in the United States? First, you have to have your green card. You guys know that I come with a fiancé visa to the United States, which means I have to wait till 10 months before my green card came in. That's why I've not worked all this time or been able to study or do anything. If you don't have your green card, don't bother. Don't bother if you don't have your green card yet. Still enjoy your stay, look around you, learn, go on adventure, relax. Even if you start the school, you can submit your green card. There's no way you can get your certification. There are two certificates you need to get into phlebotomy if you are in the United States. One is your GED, which is your secondary school certificate, WAEC or NECO, or if you already have a BA or BSc back in Nigeria, which they will convert for you to use in United States. So me, I have a BA in religious studies and philosophy from Nigeria, and which get me through it. I didn't use my secondary school certificate. Of course, I don't want to waste my 4 years without using the certificate to do anything. Even if I can't use it in Nigeria, let it do at least a starting point for me here in the United States, since I'm not doing my master yet, which I will pursue later at the end of the day, if I feel like and if I don't feel like. Yeah. So back to the track of what we are talking about. How many months does phlebotomy take? My school, it takes 3 months, Saturday and Sunday. So I go to school Saturday and Sunday, which is from 8 to 2 p.m. They also provide us laptops to read with, provide us with textbook. There are some places whereby it takes shorter than that, but 3 months I think is actually a good time. It gives me time to study on my own, and that is why I passed my exam, because they let me take my time for you to study, to understand, and to reflect. Because this course, they will tell you it's easy at first, but when you get into it, you will realize that it's a whole lot of job. Guys, there was a time I break down in the room. I was regretting, like, why did I even start this course? Why? Because I don't know mathematics. I've been in art class all my life. And you don't have to be in science class to be able to go for phlebotomy course. If you just believe in yourself that you are smart, you are somebody who can study and who can actually manipulate anything around you to work for you, then you can go for it. But if you know that you are not smart, you are not intelligent, you don't know how to improvise, you don't pay attention to details, and you don't know how to use your own techniques to study, don't register for phlebotomy. Don't even try it, because this course will teach you patience. This course will teach you how to use your own instincts. This course will teach you how to use your own techniques. This course will teach you how to interact with people. And also, as a phlebotomist, a patient's life is in your hands, just the way it's in the hands of doctors and nurses. It's also in your hands. If you mislabel a test of a patient and they misdiagnose that person that have malaria for HIV, don't let me tell you what I want to say. You already know what I'm about to say. You already know that you're about to get suspended. And then let's talk about the exam.